Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I'm running into. Um, this is my Humvee, and what I'm running into is that I try to put these screws on first for the top, and I'm trying to put the parts that go right here for the doors. So I did the back installation already, but this top right here is not aligning. I don't know, it's when I put this on, maybe this one's too far to the front, but as you can see, it's even right here, so I don't think it's too far to the front. So what I'm gonna have to do is, sorry for the mess guys, man, I'm trying to clean up my garage, but let me tell you, so what I'm gonna have to do is cut these right here, so this piece can fit right there. So it fits there, but I made those lines because I'm going to cut it in half, but it doesn't fit. You see, I hold it right there. It doesn't fit right there. You see that? So I was going to cut it right here, but I decided not to. So I'm just going to cut it right here and bring these two in, and then bring the top, they're supposed to hit right here in the bottom, together. But this is the kit that Plan B sends out with their back, slant back. Again, sorry for the mess. I'm a painter and I gotta finish this project so I can put it somewhere else, but that's what I'm trying to do. I did the slant back. I wish I could have taken a video of that, but I didn't have a GoPro yet. So I'm taking a video of this so it can help anybody that's ordering this kit and has a problem installing it. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna cut the pieces right now, and what I'm using is sorry if I'm moving the camera too much, but what I'm using is a compressor with a Harbor Freight, whatever you call this, forgot the name of it. So I'm gonna set up the camera right now when I'm cutting it. Stay tuned for the other video.